What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. And if this is your first time to my channel, I just want to say welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. This is a platform that I use to show you how to create money online, personal development, all type of stuff like that. And today's subject that I will definitely be talking about, lately I've been more on a personal development rant. Just trying to help you guys understand how to shape your mind when it comes to stuff like this. So today's subject is how to choose the right mentor, because this is definitely needed when you are going into making money online. So let's dive right into it. Alright, how to choose the right mentor. So ever wondered what makes a good mentor? Pay attention to the content, the value he or she provides, and evaluate the person based on this information that I'm going to give you. Okay, this is how you could choose the right mentor. All right, this is some steps that I have used that I believe that can help you. And also like and subscribe to my channel. I really greatly appreciate your time, by the way. I know time is very valuable, and I appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. So let's dive into it. Number one, transparent past. Doesn't just appear out of nowhere. You know, people online, as far as like mentors, they'll just like appear out of nowhere. They're like, I don't really know this person. But one way to look into if this person is the right mentor for you is to go on their social media profile, like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever it is, or just type in their name online to kind of like see if this person is very transparent. See that they didn't just pop out of nowhere like the past couple of days, whatever. Or even go on YouTube. See how, for me, I just look at if the person's been consistent with videos and stuff like that. That's why I look at, like, okay, so this person's really been doing this. They're out here and they're trying to give out value. This must be a great mentor. Number two, gives away lots of value. This is very important. I like people who give away a lot, give away things, because that helps me as an individual to know that this person really does care. This person cares a lot because they're giving away all this information that they could just be holding inside of themselves and using for themselves, but they're not selfish. This is very important. People giving away, instead of simply trying to sell you, they're giving away this stuff, which is greatly appreciated. That's why I look for a mentor. Number three, they don't just sell you a dream. It shows the bright and dark side of being an entrepreneur. The fake guru will tell you how easy it is. It's hard. It's hard, especially like if you got a full-time job too. Like I have a full-time job and I work 40 plus hours a week, and it's tough because it's made to look easy online. Like, oh man, this person bringing in this type of income. Oh, what are they doing? And they might try to sell to you like that. Oh, it's easy. Yeah, I mean, it can be. It gets easier. I would say this is just from my experience. I can't say how it would be for you, but from my experience, it gets easier, but it's still hard. But I mean, there is bright and dark side, like I said in the slide. And number four is they don't showboat. They're respected for what they do, not what they have. A lot of people, of course, you want to see like, okay, you're talking about making money online. Let me see some results, which is cool. I mean, you gotta show, you gotta put your your money where your mouth is. You gotta show people that this stuff truly works. But I'm not gonna be sitting around showing all my cars and stuff. If I was a mentor, that's just bait. A lot of people use that, which is cool. That lets me know, like, oh man, you really doing it. Yeah, you're really doing it. But on top of that, all that showboating, that's another form of attraction marketing, and it works because there's always going to be people who don't know the ins and outs of business. They see the glory. Like there's a saying, you see my glory, but you don't know my story. that's entertainment too. There's a guy, he was saying like, man, it's amazing how these people, they make these movies and all you see is the finished product, but you don't see like all the behind the scenes stuff, like all the countless hours and years. Like you see, like it takes like a year or two to make 2 hours or an hour and a half worth of a movie. Like 2 years, like geez. When you have that perspective in your mind, with just a lot of stuff, like even with business, like a lot of people think, okay, I start a business today, I'm going to be making hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars within, a couple weeks or a month or two. I mean, Rome wasn't built in a day. I know y'all heard that saying too before. In the same way with anything in life, like stuff takes time. Of course, it looks, once it's packaged and it's been primed and all the details and stuff have been gone through, of course it looks good at the end, but the behind the scenes is what's crazy of all that's going. Like all the stuff that I put together for my channel, it took a lot, and it might not even be great for some viewers. They might be like, man, this is crazy, this is trash, but it takes a lot of hard work. But as you get through those barriers and you learn certain skills, it becomes easier. So I hope you got some value from this. This is Eric Gill Jr. with Residual Knowledge TV. If you're looking to join a business, or you're interested in business, online business, digital marketing, that's one thing that I definitely do. Go ahead and click on the link below that I have under my video, and you get a free 15-day business plan. I have some more videos where I'm going to be giving out some free value to you guys. I'm going to be showing you some more stuff. Lately, I've been more on some personal development and trying to get your mind ready to make money online. And I believe that's very important. So Residual Knowledge TV, y'all have a great day.